Hello, engineers. Welcome back to ME 407 Computer Applications for ME lecture number 3. So for today, we'll proceed now with advanced sketching and editing tools. So in this lecture po, we'll be covering the advanced sketching tools and methods and commands to edit sketches used in the part environment. The commands and methods are discussed in context to the part environment. So here in SolidWorks, you can edit sketches by using different editing tools available in SolidWorks environment. So we'll be discussing dito itong mga fillet, chamfer, trim, right? Trim, and then convert entities. This one, trim, convert entities, offset, text, mirror, patterns, and learn use of tools that help you in editing sketch entities. Alright? So we'll start off with the fillet tool. Sige, drawing muna tayo kasi hindi siya lalabas hanggat wala namang gagawin. Alright? So, lagyan ako dito na isang shape. You can use any plane, okay? So let's start off with the fillet tool. This one is the fillet tool. Okay, so nakalagay naman dyan. This tool is used to create a fillet or round a sharp corner created by intersection of two lines and arcs, circles, and rectangle or polygon vertices. Okay, so we have here the sketch fillet. Okay, so basically, again, to create a fillet or round-shaped corner created by intersection of two lines, arcs, circles, and rectangle or polygon vertices. So in this case, makes yeah. Pindutin nyo lang tong entities na to. And then, yun. Kakaroon na siya ng yung from a sharp corner, naging rounded corner. Okay? Or magiging round na yung sharp corner. Okay? Pwede nyo din yung multiple. So, it's basically sa sketch fillet or the fillet tool. And then in here, makikita nyo naman yung fillet parameters. Okay? So pwede nyo naman i-adjust. And then kapag tapos na at okay na, okay? Okay na yung inyong kailangan, then check na lang. Dimension of each fillet, pwede din. Okay. So ayan, the radius, ang radius daw ni fillet na ginawa natin is 0.30 inch. Okay, so that is for a sketch fillet. Okay, also, pwede rin nating even, example ay, ayan, kahit siya ay hindi connected, right? Sorry. Line, and for example, hindi siya connected like that. Fillet can still be done, okay? From here, okay? Pwede rin. Okay, so that is for sketch fillet. Okay, so let's try naman yung sketch chamfer tool. Okay, for sketch chamfer tool naman, well, aside from kung ito ay magiging round ang corner, from sharp corner to round, dito naman magiging siya, used to create sketch chamfer tool po is used to create a chamfer between two selected entities by applying two distance values, same distance value or distance and angle values. So pag pinindot X natin to, delete mo na. Right? Yan. So for chamfer naman, okay, pag pinindot natin si chamfer, meron din diyang parameters which is the angle distance. Right? So let's try I'll make an example for sketch chamfer. Okay, so say this one. Okay, so for sketch chamfer naman, okay, and pili lang ulit, angle distance muna tayo. Okay, angle distance. So, pili lang kayo ng dalawang entities na sa chamfer nyo, and then yun. Okay, and same here. Yan. So, ayun, kung makikita nyo, since hindi siya equidistance, or I mean, hindi same ang size. So, ito, same with, same angle at saka same na distance from dito papunta doon. Fortunately, hindi nga ito magka-shape. So, ganyan talaga eh. Kalalabasan yan. Pero pag ito na may equally, ang yung equal dito sa left side, tsaka sa right side. So, magpapares lang na may itsura. But basically, ito yung ginagawa ni chamfer. Okay? So, that is for the angle distance. So, again, pag angle distance naman, ito yung to create chamfer between two selected entities by using distance and angle values. And then for ano naman, for distance naman. Okay, so I'll give you another example. Kapag distance naman, okay, so okay, ko lang. Then kapag, okay, pag chamfer, then distance, you click the equal distance to display is yung distance to, okay, so click nyo lang to, okay, will create a, um, so pag distance na po, it is used to create chamfer between two selected entities by using same distance, okay, value or different distance values. So, all right, that is for chamfer, okay? And then we'll proceed now with trim entity tools. Okay, trim entity tools. Okay, so these tools is used to trim or remove the unwanted portion of entities intersecting other entities like line, circle, ellipse, and etc. So the option buttons available in the options roll out of the trim property manager are yan. Ito, so under the trim entities, okay, there is power trim, corner, trim away inside, trim away outside, at trim to closest. Okay, so we'll start with power trim. So power trim po is selected to trim or remove the unwanted portion of entities by dragging cursor over it. Okay, so try natin. So that for example, I have here an object like this, shape like this, and ang gusto ko lang ah, na shape ay syempre ito lang, yung parang cross-like. Okay? So, gagawin natin kapag power trim, yan, drag nyo lang or hold nyo lang yung left mouse button nyo. Yan, kakat na. That is the power trim. Okay? And then, kapag corner naman, wait lang natin. Kapag corner naman, for example, So kapag corner naman is selected to trim or extend the entities to form a corner. So in that case, kailangan buburahin natin to. Okay, itong part na to. So trim entities, corner. Piliin nyo lang yung dalawang entities na matitira and then matatanggal na si corner. Okay? Pwede, pero pwede rin din kay corner yung mapagdugtong sila. Okay? Okay, so like this one. And the trim entities, corner. Pindutin nyo lang itong dalawang entities and then it will be connected automatically. Okay, that is also for corner. Okay? And then, let's try naman, trim away, ano ba sunod? Trim away inside. Okay? Trim away inside. Okay, so ang gusto naman natin dyan is syempre matrim yun nasa loob. So, let's try. So, trim away inside. Matitira lang is yung mga nasa labas. So, matatanggal to. Okay? Ayun. Yun. No. So, kung mapapansin nyo, I don't know kung nakikita nyo, no, kumukulay naman yung yung matatanggal. Like, for example, let's try it again. And trim inside. Okay. Okay, so far, kapag dalawang entities pa lang yung napipindot natin, wala pang nawawala. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, ito, pag pinindot natin to ulit, yung itong middle portion, o yung inside, nag-iibang color. So, yun. Ibig sabihin, ah, matitrim away na yung nasa loob. Okay? So, may indication na siya na matatanggal siya. Okay? Sige. Let's try naman the trim away outside. Let's use the same sample na lang. Okay? So outside, ito naman ang mga mawawala naman ay, let's for example, this one. This one, this one. This for outside lines. So trim lang ulit, then trim away outside. Then, gusto natin tanggalin ito. Okay? Oops, sorry. Ito, tama. And then, uh, mali, mali. Ito muna pala. Wait, outside. Ito muna. Tsaka ito. Tsaka, yun, tama. Ito. Muna ang dalawang mahaba. Ito kasi yung gusto natin na pala. Yun. Okay. So that is for trim away outside. Okay. The next one naman is the trim to closest. Okay. So this button is selected to select an entity to trim the nearest intersecting entity or to drag to an entity. Okay. So let's give an example. Edit lang natin to. Example you have here. So basically, para rin naman siyang power trim, but this one is more specific. Okay? So, yan, trim to closest. So, parang ganyan lang din. Kung alin yung gusto nating tanggalin. Like, for example, ang gusto lang natin matira is yung outer. So, yan. Like, ganyan lang. That is for the trim to closest. Okay? Yan. So, that is for entities. So, we have here power trim corner, trim away inside, trim away outside, then trim to closest. Okay? Next one. Let's proceed with, under din ng Quebec, dito sa button na to, we have here extend entities naman. Okay? So, let's try, anything. Simple, ano. So, basically, kapag extend entities tool, entity, Ayan. So basically kapag hindi ma-extend lang. Okay? So this tool is used to extend a sketch entity up to the next sketch entity. Okay? So pako-connectin lang niya. So pako-connect niya lang. Okay? So from here to there, yun. So yun, nade-detect na niya. Yan. And that's basically for extend entities. Okay? So iba yun ha, yung extend entities sa dun sa nagagawa ni ano nga to? Sorry, ni trim entities na corner. Ano? So, for corner specifically lang yan. Okay? So, that is for extend entities tools. Okay? And then, next one naman, I will proceed with the text tool. Okay? The text tool. Edit lang natin to. Ayun. Okay, so text tool, this one. Okay. This tool is used to write text in the sketch environment and on the surface of a part. The text can be inserted on edges, curves, sketches, etc. The text sketch over surface of the part can be extruded also and cut surfaces. Okay, so that for example, we have here a rectangle. Okay, then the text tayo. So, pwede nyo lagay dito, uh, kasi, SolidWorks 2023. Okay? Then, pipili kayo kung saan nyo ilalagay. Pwedeng sa loob, pwedeng dito sa line. Yan. Okay. Ang laki. Okay? So, in here, dito sa property manager, okay? So, upon writing yung gusto niyo ilagay, no. We have here, pwede nyo i-bold, pwede nyo ring italic, okay, or to rotate the text. And then, in here naman, meron tayong text alignment, okay? Sa left, sa middle, right, and then justified. And then we have here the flip direction. Have here the width factors, spacing, at saka font. Okay, so if meron kayong um, other fonts na you like, then you can change it here naman. Okay, so up to you. Alright, so let's try this one. And palitin lang natin para magkasya doon. And then, pwede natin i-middle. Then, pwede natin, pwede natin, okay? Yan. So, yan. Pwede, yan yung subtext. Madami pa kayong pwede dyan gawin. Right? That is for text. And the next one. Next one naman is for offset entities. Okay, so this tool is used to create a duplicate geometry at a required offset distance from the selected geometry. You can offset sketch entities like lines, arcs, circles, set of model edges, loops, etc. If you change the original entity, then the offset entity changes accordingly. For example, let's have here a simple rectangle. Yeah. Okay? So, dito naman, pindutin lang natin sa offset entities. Ayan. Meron dito add dimensions, reverse, select chain, bidirectional. Okay? So, pag po, pipindutin lang natin sa entity na gusto nating offset, and then, ayan. Yan yung default ng offset. Okay? Pwede natin paliitin. Sorry. Offset entities. Okay, yan. So, kung buong yun gusto natin i-offset. Yan. So, pwede natin siyang i-drag to automatic. Ayan, hindi mag-automatic ah yung size niya, pero pwede rin natin, ay, bakit ba ganun? Offset muna natin. Okay. So, kapag add dimensions lang, bakit pa nangyari? And offset. Yan. Pwede natin palakihin, pwede natin paliitin. So, up to you. Pwede natin. Wait, masyado naman ito. Okay? So, that is for offset. Kapag naman, yun ay for add dimensions. Kapag naman reverse, basically yun, sa loob naman siya mag-offset. So, kung mapapansin nyo, pwede rin naman kahit hindi mo na i-check yung checkbox ng reverse. Pag inilabas mo siya, hindi na ulit siya mag-reverse. Kapag ipinasok mo na siya, it will automatically check naman yung reverse. Okay? Ayan. So, that is for offset. And then we have also here for saan ba to? Yung bidirectional. So, let's for example, we have here a line. Okay? Then offset natin to. Ang pinaka-purpose ni bidirectional, this is selected to offset entities in two directions. So, this one, pag binidirectional natin, yan, dalawa, okay? Magiging in two directions. Okay? Then kapag cap ends naman, sige, try muna natin. Check. Ayun. So, magiging ganun siya. Alright? So, kapag naman, this one naman, okay? Kapag naman, in-offset natin to, tapos pinili natin is, tima natin to, and top ends, yan. Maging ganyan naman yung kanyang magiging offset. And then, kung gusto naman natin na hindi bidirectional, isang lang, tanggalin lang. Kapag lines naman, kapag arcs, syempre, arc ang yan, kapag line naman. Okay? Alright, so, that is for cap ends. Then we have here, kapag naman base geometry naman, natin, magaling naman itong cap ends. Kita niyo ba? Yan. Kapag naman base geometry, yun. Ay, base geometry. Oops. Base geometry. Yan na ng base geometry, pero siya naman F. Okay. So yun, basically, ganun lang din naman siya, katulad ng offset. But this one, and kapag base geometry is to convert the selected sketch entity to construction entity and create offset entity at a distance. So that is for um, offset entity based geometry, construction geometry. Then kapag naman ginawa natin offset geometry naman, okay? Yung offset naman ay construction line. So kung sa base geometry, yung base naging construction entity, dito naman, yung itong base, mapapunta naman, ang ma-offset naman ay construction line. Okay? Ito natin. Yan. Karoon lang ng offset na construction line. Okay? So, same thing with with mirror entities ng, mirror entity, sorry. With the circle, ganun lang din naman sa circle. Kung gusto niyo ng other shapes din, pwede naman pong i-offset din po ang other shapes. Right? So that is for offset entities. Now we'll proceed with mirror entities. Okay? Mirror entities. So for mirror entities naman po, these mirror entities tools are used to create a mirror copy of selected sketch entity about a center, lines, model edges, and linear edges on drawing. So this is very helpful po for creating symmetrical sketches. So for example, here we have here. Then gusto natin, ay, sige, that's it. Yan, ganyan. And then gusto natin same distance from here to there dito. And then syempre same ang radius. So what we're gonna do is just have to put a center line here, or line which you can delete naman afterwards. Then gusto mong i-mirror. Okay? So pindutin mo lang to. Entities to mirror, yung gusto mong i-mirror. Okay? And then mirror about. Okay? So pindutin mo muna kung saan yung magiging base, or what do you call that? Anong term doon? Yung magiging, um, ano bang tawag sa ganun? Yung hindi basis eh. Pero yung pagmumulan. Anyway, pag naalala ko, sasabihin ko ulit. But anyway, you choose this line. And para yun yung magiging basis. Hindi basis ang term, pero yung basis ng paglilipatan. Ito. Okay? So that's basically for mirrors. And then kung gusto nyo naman ma-mirror itong dalawa dito. Okay, so pwede ka ulit maglagay lang ng line, center line here. Then, yan. Mirror mo lang. Piliin mo lang yung kung ano yung gusto mong mirror. Oops. Mirror. Tsaka the other. Then, piliin mo lang to, mirror about. And there, the mirror. Okay? That's basically for mirror. Okay? So, other one naman, we can also create patterns dito sa SolidWorks, okay, for an easier drawing. Okay? So mirror entities, we'll proceed naman with linear sketch pattern. So in SolidWorks po, we can create patterns. So pattern tools are used to create replica of sketch entities in a particular sequence, like along linear edges or around circular edges. Okay? So you can save as much as time using this tool as you create multiple copies of an entities. Also, if you make changes to original entity, the pattern or child features will be updated naman automatically. So again, there are two options here. In the drop down rather, we have here linear and circular sketch pattern. Okay, so for linear sketch pattern here, let's lagay muna natin yung ipa-pattern. Sige. For that, linear sketch pattern tayo. Piliin nyo lang yung gusto nyo i-pattern na shape. Then yan. So, we have here sa property manager, the parameters. Okay? So, we have here yung x-axis or this button, pwede nyo i-reverse yung direction. So, as you can see here, papunta siya ng right. Pag pinindot natin to, papunta siya ng left. So, that's the purpose of that button. Okay? And then dito, pwede nyo iset yung distance between the pattern instances. Okay? So, pwede. Sorry. Ayan. So, pwede sa palaki or sa paliit. Okay? Of course. And then, ito, kung ilan ang ito muna, pwede natin, para ma-display yung dimensions between the pattern instances, pwede nyo yung i-check. Once na in-okay natin yan, lalabas yung dimension ng spacing in x-axis. Okay? And then we have here the set of sets the numbers of pattern instances. So in here we have 2, gusto natin 3, 4, then 5. Okay? So that is for setting the number. Then, dito naman, ayun nga, again, kung gusto nyo show the number of instances in the pattern, check nyo lang yan. Okay? And then, we have here we can set here the angular direction from the horizontal or the x-axis. And then, yun. This one naman, itong pag-check natin to, it applies a constraint to fix the rotation of instances along x-axis. So, dito naman, same thing lang yung gagawin nyo. Okay? And, so, x-axis naman, kung gusto nyo sabay-sabay. And, okay. Yan. Okay? So, this is basically for, syempre, hindi ko lang pinerfect yung shape, but here po yung uh, the power of linear sketch pattern. Alright? So, yan, palayo naman yung distance. Anyway, ayun yung distance na ginawa natin from x-axis. Okay? So, pwede nyo naman, kung gusto nyo edit, gawin nyo lang i-right click. Right click, and then edit linear pattern. And babalik lang ulit kayo. Okay, kung gusto nyo yan, kung gusto nyo medyo naka, medyo may, hindi siya, ang tawag ba doon, kaslant. Ayan. So, up to you, right? So, that is for sketch pattern. Ang natin. So, ganun lang din sa circle. Same lang din naman ang gagawin. Okay? And then, let's proceed with, so we're done. Okay. Let's proceed with editing tools, such as this move entities. Okay? So, dun sa nauna natin, we have learned to create some, nauna nating discussions, we have learned to create some simple drawings using the basic drawing tools. However, to create complex drawings, we need to perform various editing operations. Okay, so the tools to perform editing operations are available in Move Entities po. Okay? So, click nyo lang tong down arrow to find more editing tools. Tapos, using these editing tools, you can modify existing objects or use existing objects to create new or similar objects. Yeah. So, let us proceed with the move entities. Okay. Move entities tool muna tayo. So, for example, we have here rectangle, insert a, say, center. Ayan. So, tapos, sige, random na lang. Okay. Pangit ko sa nung kaka-OC. Ayan. So, si move entity po, or ito mismo, specifically si move entity, this is used to move selected objects from one location to a new location without changing its orientation. For example, sino ililipat natin? For example, this one. Ay natin pa siya sa gitna. Okay, so pwede natin itong lipat. Okay. Good. Good. That's basically for the move entity tool. Okay? And then, pwede din nating piliin yung X to Y, X or Y. So, nangyari lang doon, move entity, piliin mo lang ito ulit, and then X, Y. So, dito, yan. Kung gusto nyo ay, yan, is for X and Y. Okay? So, yan. So, that's basically for X and Y. Then compare this from 2, which is kailangan yung starting point. Or dito, or whenever. Okay? So that is for move entities. Then let's proceed naman with the next one here is the copy entities naman. And basically, kakopy mo lang. Okay? No, this one is the similar with mirror entities yung copy. Ito kasi copy mo lang talaga basically. Pag ganun din yan, kapag saan mo gusto i-copy, drag mo lang ulit. But this time, hindi na ito matatanggal. Okay? So copy entities tool is used to copy objects and place them at the required location. Gusto mo dyan. Basically. So kapag X and Y naman, hindi dito kayo mag-access. Saan mo gusto i-copy? Baba natin, taas natin. Basically, ganun lang si move entity. Si copy entity rather. Okay? Then, next one naman, the rotate entities naman. So, basically, um, si rotate entity naman, this is used to rotate an object or a group of objects about a base point. To rotate objects, you need to activate this tool and select the objects from drawing window. So, edit lang muna ulit natin. So, pwedeng isang object lang i-rotate, pwedeng the whole object. Okay. Let's try. Then, pili lang kayo ng center and then, oops, ulit. Okay. Center application. Ulit. Pwedeng doon and then, yan, kayo bahala kung saan. Ayan. Oo nga, circle pala to. So, walang mangyayari pala to. So, dito tayo. Date entities. Kung pindutin na lang. Ayan. Mas kita kasi sa circle parang lang tayo nagjo-joke. So, that's basically for edit entities. Okay. So, that's basically for rotate entities. Okay? So, the next one naman is the scale entities. Okay, this one naman, scale entities tool is used to change the size of the objects. Yun lang naman basically for scale entities. So, for example, lahat to, ito natin, this one. Scale about, pili lang kayo kung saan sisimula and then, yun. Kung gusto nyo nang hindi matanggal yung original, ayun, pindutin nyo lang yun. Kung ilang copy ang gusto nyo, yan. Is for scale activism. Check nyo lang. There you have it. Kung basketball court. Basketball court. Circle. Okay? So that's basically for scale entities. And then, lastly, we have here the stretch entities. For stretch entities naman, okay, so basically, we stretch. Stretch natin si drawing. So, stretch tool is used to lengthen or shorten drawings or parts of the drawings. Okay? So, ito natin na this one. Gusto natin stretch to. So, stretch is out to us. Yan. Pag from X to Y, ito muna. Stretch about here. tulad, hindi ganito yun. Stretch entities. So, hindi na kayo entities. Bakit naiba na siya? Hindi ganito to kon. Na-try ko. Yan, basically. Ay, hindi. No, no, no. Walang iba nun, pero hindi yun stretch entity. Okay, it's supposed to stretch lang ah. Oops, ulit. Stretch entity. Oh, okay. Something. Hindi ganun. Dapat ganito to stretch lang to dapat eh. Ah, okay. So, mali, 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 mali. Gets ko na. Yung part na lang to, gusto natin i-stretch. So, from here, ito. And then, stretch about, ano, bakit? Stretch or tattoo. Yun. Sana tama na to. So, yun. There you go. Sa bagay, hindi nga mag-stretch yung buong yan. Yeah. So, pipiliin nyo lang. And do, pwede din nyo ding pag ganyan yung stretch niya. Okay? So, pagkakamali ko po kanina, pinipindot ko yung buong rectangular, yung buong entity ng rectangle. Whereas kapag po mag-stretch lang kayo, hindi lang kayo no, not the whole entity. Okay? So, yung side lang. Like for example, and then uh, ginawa ko kanina, itong tatlong entity na to. To, ito. Yeah. Pili lang kayo kung saan. Para, or kung gusto nyo putulin. Okay? There you go. So that is for stretch entity tools. Okay, so so that is for advanced sketching tools. Okay, so that is for the part one of lecture 3. So thank you for listening.